Apple Shortcuts app offers a number of ways to customize your iPhone. Whether you want to give your iPhone's home screen a different look or perform common tasks faster, the handy shortcuts have got you fully covered. Notably, you can also create a lock screen shortcut for your iPhone. Using the lock screen shortcut, you can quickly lock your iPhone with utmost ease without having to press the side button. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first off, you have to open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Then tap on the plus button in the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on the Add Action button. Now you have to enter the lock screen option in the search bar and select it. And then tap on the small drop down arrow at the top. Then you can give a suitable name to your shortcut, choose a befitting photo for the shortcut, and even add it to your home screen. For better accessibility, I would recommend you to add the shortcut to your iPhone home screen. From now onward, you'll be able to lock your iPhone by just tapping on this shortcut. Just like this. Pretty cool, isn't it? And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like, consider it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.